What is the primary stimulus for ventilation under normal conditions? A. Increased PaCO2. B. Decreased PaO2. C. Increased pH. D. Decreased HCO3. Which part of the respiratory system has the highest resistance to airflow? A. Trachea. B. Bronchi. C. Bronchioles. D. Alveoli. What is the normal value of the respiratory quotient RQ? A. 0.7. B. 0.8. C. 1.0. D. 1.2. The anatomical dead space in a healthy adult is approximately A. 50 milliliters. B. 150 milliliters. C. 250 milliliters. D. 500 milliliters. Which of the following shifts the oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve to the right? A. Decreased temperature. B. Increased pH. C. Increased to 3 dpg. D. Decreased PaCO2. The most abundant gas in the atmosphere is A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Argon. What is the normal tidal volume in a healthy adult? A. 150 milliliters. B. 500 milliliters. C. 1000 milliliter. D. 1500 milliliter. Which muscle is primarily responsible for quiet inspiration? A. External intercostals. B. Internal intercostals. C. Diaphragm. D. Sternocleidomastoid. In which condition is the V-Q ratio infinite? A. Pulmonary embolism. B. Pneumonia. C. Pulmonary edema. D. Chronic bronchitis. The Bohr effect refers to A. Increased O2 binding with higher pH. B. Decreased O2 binding with higher PaCO2. C. Increased CO2 binding with lower pH. D. Decreased O2 binding with lower temperature. What is the normal PaO2 in arterial blood at sea level? A. 40 millimeters of mercury. B. 60 millimeters of mercury. C. 80 to 100 mmHg. D. 120 millimeters of mercury. Which of the following is a feature of restrictive lung disease? A. Increased FAV1 FVC ratio. B. Decreased total lung capacity. C. Increased residual volume. D. Increased airway resistance. The primary site of gas exchange in the lungs is A. Bronchi. B. Bronchioles. C. Alveoli. D. Trachea. What is the normal PaCO2 in arterial blood? A. 20 to 30 mmHg. B. 35 to 45 mmHg. C. 50 to 60 mmHg. D. 70 to 80 mmHg. Which of the following increases in chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD)? A. FAV1 FVC ratio. B. Total lung capacity. C. Forced vital capacity. D. Peak expiratory flow rate. The Haldane effect describes A. Increased O2 binding in acidic conditions. B. Increased CO2 binding when O2 is unloaded. C. Decreased CO2 binding when O2 is bound. D. Increased O2 binding with higher PaCO2. What is the primary form of CO2 transport in blood? A. Dissolved CO2. B. Carbaminohemoglobin. C. Bicarbonate HCO3. D. Carbonic anhydrase. Which of the following is true about surfactant? A. Increases surface tension. B. Produced by type 1 pneumocytes. C. Reduces alveolar collapse. D. Increases compliance. In high altitude, what compensates for low PaO2? A. Decreased respiratory rate. B. Hyperventilation. C. Increased PaCO2. D. Reduced to 3-DPG. The functional residual capacity, FRC, is the sum of A. Tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume. B. Residual volume plus expiratory reserve volume. C. Inspiratory capacity plus tidal volume. D. Vital capacity plus residual volume.